is the girlfriend? That I want to.
It's me.
You guys should tell me that you are twins. Who is my real girlfriend? My fiancé here.
It's me.
Today, I want to give proposal to my girlfriend. This girl, I've been dating this girl for like 5 years now. And today, like, let me do crazy thing. Let me propose to the girl. And this is my friend. You can see a lot of gifts are here that they want to give me. So this is my ring. Let me give the girl surprise proposal. Let's see how it go. Thank you. Watch out. For life. We have been waiting for here like 1 hour now. We never see this girlfriend. But one of my friends don't come in and say, no, there's some guy that will spy her. They tell me that she's on her way. Call me. I see the way to. I see the way. The black she come. How are you? So nice. You look good. Pretty and how are you? Everything. How was it? How was your day?
Fine, I thank God.
Okay, nice one. You know I love you.
Yeah, I know.
I really know that you love me. You have been 5 years now. We have been dating.
Yeah.
Today I just decided to put smile on your face. Yeah.
Okay.
Also, today I decided to surprise you.
Okay.
Are you ready to check my surprise?
Yes,
Please,
I'm
can you
very
close your eye? Nice one. Count 2, 1, 2, 3. You open your eye.
Okay.
You get it?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Open your eye.
Wow! Wow! Baby, it's not her, it's me. Baby, it's me. Baby, it's me, it's not her. No, baby, it's me. No, I'm the one. No, babe, it's me. I'm the one. No, she.
Clarice.
Yes, it's me. It's me, babe.
Who is my fiancé?
It's me.
I don't understand. Who is my fiancé? Clarice.
It's me.
You are Clarice, right?
Yes. I'm the one, not she. I'm the one.
You are Clarice?
Yes.
Clarice.
Yes. No.
Wait. You guys should not confuse me. Who is my fiancé here?
It's me, babe. It's me.
But two of you cannot be my fiancé at the same time.
I know.
Clarice.
Babe, it's me. It's me. It's me, not her. It's me.
You are Clarice?
Yes. No, I'm the one. Babe.
Now you guys should not confuse me. Who is my real girlfriend here? Who is my
It's
fiancé?
me.
You.
It's me.
Two of you cannot. Clarice.
Yes, it's me. It's me.
Wait. Two of you cannot be Clarice at the same. Wait. Babe.
Yes, we are. Yes, it's me. It's me.
Clarice.
Yes.
Oh, wait. Are you guys twins?
Yes.
But who is really my girlfriend? No
It's
one.
me. It's me. It's me. Not
But you
her.
guys should tell me who is the girlfriend. That I want to.
It's me.
You guys should tell me that you are twins. Who is my real girlfriend? My fiancé here.
It's me.
Clarice.
Yes.
Wait. You are twins.
Yes.
But both of you bear Clarice.
Yes.
How? It's impossible now. How? Clarice.
It's me.
But wait. Two of you cannot be my fiancé at the same time now.
We know.
We know how. Who is my fiancé?
It's me.
How?
I'm the one. Not her. It's me. It's me. Why you dey do like this now? Na my boyfriend. Why you dey do like this?
Na me first get am.
Who's na you first get am? Na my boyfriend.
Na me get am first.
Abeg no dey tell me rubbish.
I
Abeg.
tell you. See this one o. Na me first get am, so no dey do that
Oga
one.
na my boyfriend.
Na me get
Na
am
my
first.
boyfriend.
Na me first get am.
Na my boyfriend.